Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my today's nail art is a birthday special collab nail art with various nail artists from Instagram. It's Aanchal's birthday. Happy birthday Aanchal. Wishing you very special birthday and wonderful year ahead. So our collab nail art theme was floral abstract nail art. I did this abstract floral manicure and this nail art is inspired from Aanchal's work. I have just changed it to autumn colors. So let's start with my today's video. I have applied base coat on my nails and now I am applying beach polish at the tip of my nail. I am going to do freehand abstract floral nail art. I am going to use this brush to do nail art, but my brush is kinda damaged, so I have applied a nail oil to fix it. By the way, this nail oil's idea is not mine, it's Christine's idea from Simply Nailogical. So I am drawing orange flower on side of my nail with burnt orange nail polish. I was adding strokes from outside to inside to create the flower, which was my mistake. I was supposed to add strokes from inside to outside and that's what I did later off camera. My flower kinda looked like marigold flower, don't you think so? Okay, I'm pausing my video here because at the beginning of this video I forgot to mention that who hosted this nail art collab. So this nail art collab was hosted by Fernanda and Claire. Thank you Fernanda for inviting me to join this collab. And guys, make sure to check out everyone's work and please wish our birthday girl. Say happy birthday to her. So after drawing flower, I'm going to draw a leaf with olive green polish and yeah, I started drawing it on my nail art mat. Never mind. I have added a long curved diagonal line beside flower and then adding small leaf one by one on both sides of the curved line. I'm highlighting leaves with rose gold nail polish by adding thin strokes on top of leaves. I was really nervous when I was doing this nail art because I think this is the first time I'm doing this kind of freehand abstract nail art, and I was nervous because if I do any kind of mistake then I had to wipe out full nail art and I had to do it again from the beginning. So it was really hard for me to do this nail art. Okay, let me show you that how you can clean your dirty nail art brush. At first, pour nail polish remover in a container. Then dip your dirty nail art brush into nail polish remover and then just gently wiggle it and swap it. Or you can clean your nail art brush on your nail art mat instead of container. In the same way, within few seconds your brush will be fully clean. But wait, after cleaning brushes with nail polish remover, make sure to clean the brush with plain water. Do you remember that my brush was scattered and dry at the beginning of this video? It was dry and scattered because I didn't clean it with water when I used it last time. Yeah. If you want to see another detailed video about how to clean brushes, nail art brushes, then please let me know by commenting down below. Wait, where are you going? My nail art is not complete yet. Now I'm going to add tiny dots in the center of flower and sides of my nails with brown nail polish and with help of toothpick. I did same nail art on my pinky nail in the same way I did on my ring finger nail. On rest of my nails I have applied 2 coats of a brown nail polish. I have finished my nail art with matte top coat, but before applying matte top coat I have applied a glossy top coat to smooth the surface. In my another video I talked about matte top coats, so if you are interested to know more about matte top coats then make sure to check out that one. Link attached in description box. And here is the final look of my manicure. If you enjoyed my video and liked my work then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my video with your friends, and if you are new in my YouTube channel then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any upload from my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.